Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video. I am back with another video about the montech.com. So first of all, I request all of you guys to make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the more updates. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the Montech Smart Link or the direct link. And the whole description is provided below, so you can check it out. So first of all, when you click on the registration link on the platform montech.com, simply you will guys come to the such sort of the interface. When you guys have any multiple options to sign up with them. You can enter your email, you can continue with the Google. So I am preferring signing with the Google, so I will simply add my email and I have the account with them. If you guys have any sort of question about the registration process on the Montech, you can comment down below and I will guide all of you. So when you guys have any simply registered with the montech.com, such sort of things come up in front of you. So this is the main interface that will come in front of you. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the Montech directly with the smart link. Let me briefly guide you with a simple theoretical process that have a format smart links. Montech smart link turn traffic into the profit. Direct link smart link is a special URL designed to take visitor to the most relevant offer. So it will not simply benefit you, but it will also benefit your customers who will click on the link and the consumers that will click on the link. So let me guide you in the theoretical way that how smart link will work, how it works. So simply user clicks on the smart link. I will guide you that how you can generate the smart link on the direct link through the montech.com. Then the user data is transferred and an algorithm analyzes the data and user preferences according to the GEO, geographical region, devices, and etc. the customer preferences. And then when it clicks on the link on that you have provided to them, the most relevant offers according to the customer's preferences will be shown up in front of you. That will help you to earn through the smart link and the direct link. So here is the some features. Highest CPM you will get on the on the montech.com, that optimization algorithms and the weekly payout, that the minimum amount is almost $5. That is very lethal for anyone who can start earning with them. So who can benefit from the smart link? If you are a social publisher, you are a site owner, affiliate and media buyers, advertising and CPA networks, if any of you are this guy, you can start earning with them. Or if you have a Telegram, social media, Facebook page and any other platform, you can also start earning with them through the WhatsApp, Facebook and Telegram and other sources, because Montech provides you with the best possible CPM rate. So let me take you to the how you can generate your smart link and the direct link. So when you come up on the interface, there are the many options in the sidebar. You simply have to go to the direct link and you have to click on the direct link or add direct link. Your smart link will be generated automatically. I have already created the link, so you can check it out. It will enter a random name of your direct link. I have already generated a link that I have named is the e-commerce link. So first of all, I have to copy the link and I will guide you that how I am earning through this Montech smart link. So when any of you guys click on the link provided in the description, you will come to know that how you can generate with a smart link. I am working on a social media such as Facebook, that where I am running a skincare project. So I am adding publishing products on a daily basis. So if when you guys have done generating direct link and the smart link, you can simply put it out where your traffic comes from. So I am putting it on my social media where I have the traffic, where I can get the consumers, where I am having my earning source. So when you guys have simply added, you can ask for the ChatGPT for the description. Simply go to the ChatGPT and I will let him know that I have been publishing a skincare product, published a skincare product give me a short description and please add this link also. So I have simply added a random prompt and I have added that you please add this link inside the description, so users can click on the link and simply go to the relevant offers that are suitable for them, or it is actually the smart link. Alright, so I have generated the smart link and provided in the description along with my product, so I am making it the publish. So it's gonna save. When someone clicks on the link, it will redirect you to the proper relevant offers. According to you, it had redirected me to the Alibaba, as I am working on a regular basis in the e-commerce industry, so it's a relevant offer according to me, and I am surely if I see something special, I am going to purchase it. That will simply benefit me, and the people who on which link I have clicked, it will also earn benefits to them who have given me the link. So it's a simple process. So you can simply create the direct link and start earning with the Montag that is preferring or providing the high CPM rate. So let's discuss about the payments. So here is provided the payment options. You can simply cash out with the cryptocurrencies, PayPal and the Pioneer, and the many other options available like USDT TRC20, ERC20, USDT PEP20, and the Tron Wallet or ATC. So cryptocurrencies minimum payout is $100, and simply the most thing I like about them is the minimum payout on the PayPal that anyone can have is just $5. So it's simply easy to earn and cash out from them, and you can check it out their referral programs where you can simply refer your friends through your links, and you can also earn the guaranteed 5% of your referrals revenue. Priority programs, you can check out their priority programs, insights, payments, direct links, Telegram and mini apps, URLs, add new app, websites. You can simply, it's a very good opportunity if someone is trying to earn through the links generation. So I have provided all the necessary information in the description. You can please check it out, and see you in the next video.